So in this video, we're going to be learning the basics and the foundation of changing out your razors and your razor holders. So I currently right now have two different razor holders. Now, the only difference in these razor holders right now is the color. That's the only difference about these two razors. This is a very basic razor holder. This is the reason why I want to show you how to change out the razors in these particular holders. I'm going to show you from the front view, and then I'm going to show you a top view so you can actually see how my hands are moving in certain directions, or how I'm actually holding the razor. For instance, this is our doubled edge razor. Doubled edge razor meaning on both sides, if you can see in the image on the packaging, both sides of this razor can be used to cut hair. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave it in this paper, in this little packaging that it's in. Now, it comes in little boxes like this. So once you take out one, we're going to leave it in this packaging like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold right in the center. So what you should see is it should be able to bend directly down the center of this razor. So once we bend, so it should look like this, you'll hear a clicking noise. So now we've broken the doubled edge razor that was packaged to us as one razor, but now we have two individual razors. So now we're going to just tear from the center, tear it apart. Now we have two razors to put in both of our razor holders. All right. Now, please be extremely careful when changing out your razor blades. These razors are extremely sharp. So when I'm opening up this blade, there's two sides to this blade. We have the side that we're using to cut on. This is what we're going to use to shave our clients, to do razor lineups. That's the side we're going to use. The opposite side, you can see the different grooves in the blade. Now, that is specific for placing it inside your actual razor holder. Now, once I bring it in a little closer, you'll be able to see how those grooves will fit in there and match so that we can place it in there securely and then be able to use it on our clients. All right, so let's just go over how to place this in this razor holder. One thing I want you to notice is when I broke it in half, there's a part on both sides of this razor, on both sides, that curves down, because when we bent both sides of that razor and we snapped it in half, of course, this can bend. Like, as strong as this razor is, it's still bendable. You can bend it. So on both of those sides, it bends down. And because it bends down, it allows us to be able to put our razor inside the holder a lot cleaner, a lot smoother. So this is what I like to do. I'll first pull this out. So on the inside, you'll see some ridges here. See these ridges? These ridges allow you to slide your razor holder in and out, in and out. So you would just open up your razor holder. You can literally slide it up with your thumb. Slide up. Now we're going to be placing now our razor into our holder. Here's my razor. Here's my razor holder. So from a front view, and then I'm going to show you the top view. So I'm going to be taking this razor and I'm going to place that first groove in here. So now it should look like this. I'm currently right now holding the razor in place on that first groove, so I have it stable. I have it pinned between my thumb and my pointer finger. All right, now I'm gonna not just push it in too fast, because again, you have to understand, that razor is sharp. I've cut myself many of times moving too fast and trying to put the razor inside the holder. You have to make sure you take your time, all right? So, especially if you're a beginner, take that razor, the other side, and just slide right on down into that groove. Now this is what you have. So it's currently set in. So all I want to do is keep it pinched and push down. Push down. So this is what I'll be left with. Now, you can check the razor, making sure that it's stable by placing a flat surface. You can use a comb, you can use the back of your brush. In this particular example, I'm just going to use this other razor holder. So I can just lightly just tap, 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 just to check to see if the razor is actually in place. Because sometimes you'll put the razor in this holder and you didn't really get it into the groove correctly, and the blade will actually move on you. It'll start to dip down on certain areas. So you want to just check it. After you put it in, you just do a simple tap, 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 just to make sure that blade isn't moving. We know we can use this blade. All right, let's give you a top view of this. All right, so now we're gonna change out this razor. So I'm gonna take my razor holder and I'm gonna open this up. Just open it up enough so that I can see the grooves in my razor, all right? I'm gonna take my razor out of my paper. And we're gonna turn it so that the side that has the bend in it is facing down, all right? And we want it to face down because we want it to fit into those grooves, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this corner and I'm gonna pinch that one corner into that groove, all right? Just like that. And I'm going to slide that other end into that groove. Now I have it completely in both grooves. So I'm just gonna slide down and finish it off by push up. I'm glad that actually happened. So as you can see, I didn't have the razor in the holder securely. So that's why you see that razor moving. You see this? I'm glad this actually happened. This is a great example. If I was to push this razor in there like this now, you see how uneven it is? It's not flush because it's not secure. This is the reason why I tell you to check before you go in using it on your client. So let's do this again. Push this back out using your thumb, and let's adjust that top part. So we're gonna pull it out, push down into that corner. Now we're gonna press down. And there you have it. Now, let's check it just to make sure. So we'll take our holder and I'll just lightly just tap, 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 and perfect. We know we have it set. This is how you change out your razors.